Hello there. This is the first episode of Dariel's typewriter collection. We have in total right now 30 typewriters, and today we start with a Speedwriter Chevron. I bought this for $10 on eBay by somebody who had to get rid of it because they were moving. Some of the features here. You have here the ribbon mover, which moves up when you press a key, so it prints paper on the ink on the paper. But it was broken, the screw was gone, so it didn't move anymore, and I couldn't find a good screw for it. So I kind of fixed it with a ribbon. I cleaned it out really nice. The keys move freely again, like you can see here. It's like a nice keyboard. It's a portable, a travel machine. I didn't know because the pictures on eBay were really bad. I thought it was like a big portable, which found out it wasn't. So it has here the color selector. It has 1.5 space and 2 spaces. No tab, but it has a margin release. Here are the margins, nice margins where you can move easy. Let me see. Here is the paper holder, which holds paper. It's a bit bowed, but well, I'm fine. Let me see more. I cleaned it out. Also, the entire machine is cleaned out. So I'm not much to tell you right now. It's a machine of 1973. It was used by a woman who bought it in 1974 and used it for traveling, which I find very special. So it has some stories behind it, and it got bought to the person on eBay, and he sold it to me. So I will show you some typing of it. By the way, before I begin, some people are touch typers, some people are not. I'm a touch typer, but I just met somebody who was like really slow in typing. Yeah, I'll show you the typewriter first, because give me a second. This is the machine, paper holder. Yeah, another one, lever, margin, 1.5 space, 2, color selector, margin release. And I took the cover off for you so you can see the inside better. Here, keys. Yeah, I find it a really nice machine. It's a bit too small for me, but I find it nice when I go like on camping trip and I want to type. So, okay, let's go. Put it in one. Okay. Nope, yeah. Let's put it in black.